Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel.
And Penelope back in Mom's channel again. It's not any clothes channels or like that or makeup ones.
So what are we gonna do today?
What was it again, Mom?
This is Kiwi Crate. It is a subscription box for kids. You can get it for all ages. This one I believe is from ages 5 to like 8. I will put all the stuff in the description box below, and she's pretty excited. We've already done one of these boxes before. We made an arcade game. You're so silly. And today the box says it's fun with flight. Oh, this one says for ages 5 and up. Go ahead. See what's inside.
Looks like we can make a kite, and here's another of the same. No, we get to make airplane, right? And this is what is inside. It's another of the same book that we got with the other Kiwi Crate.
You have one little pamphlet type thing with the directions on what to do, how to build your stuff.
And then this book.
Then this one is a magazine that there's comics in it. There's extra stuff in it, information on how rockets fly. Here's another little fun activity. You get to make your own paper plane. There's a recipe in here. We get to build a rocket launcher.
Should we take out all the stuff and show them?
Yeah, go ahead, take it out.
This is a string and it's like a kite.
It is like a kite. That might actually be for a kite. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, we can build a kite too. There's something to build a rocket launcher and a kite.
Can we build both today?
Yeah. Let's start with a rocket launcher. Let's grab everything out.
Can you put this on the side because we're doing the rocket launcher first? This might be for the rocket launcher.
Mm-hmm.
And these are like
wooden leg pieces.
Whatever they are. And straws.
Mm-hmm.
And clear ones. Mom, you didn't see the clear ones.
I didn't see the clear ones.
Yeah, because there's a clear case. You guys might not see it right now because we're just filming a video and it's not on TV or your phones yet.
Right.
Because like when it's on TV and phones, you'll see what I'm saying.
Right.
Penelope here and Kylie, my mom. I call her mommy.
Yeah.
And these guys, do we need these? Do we need these?
Okay, my man. Step 1, hold the launcher base with the white side up. That is the pump, so we don't need that yet.
For the kite?
This is the rocket launcher base.
And this for the kite?
No, that's for the rocket launcher.
Oh!
It says gently roll the sides of the launcher base together. Then push the tabs into the slots. You see how they're doing it here? Can you figure that out? You gotta roll it. Roll it like this. And then these go in there. That's the launcher base. Okay, now we need...
Which way do I put it? This way?
Sure, we need this. It says find the holes in the launcher base with the red borders.
What are red borders?
They have a red outline. Yeah. So then we have to put that through there. Very good. No, it's got to go all the way through. One side and then the other. I can put that in there right there. You're going to need this. Can you put this in there? With the small end through the tube.
Push it all in?
Put that in the hole.
Like that?
Yep. Now that you have to push through here.
It's hard.
And then it's gonna go through there. Perfect. Okay. Slide a rubber ring onto the end of a dowel. Here is a rubber ring. Can you put that on the end of one of those? Then can you put that through this hole? There's a hole here. Try the other end first. Now put one of these on the other side, please. Slide it all the way.
Like that?
Very good. That is our rocket launcher.
Now where's our rocket?
We have to make them.
Let's make our rocket.
All right, let's
And
set
then-
our launcher aside. It looks so cool.
Blaster.
All right, my love. Hold your piece of paper, grab one and hold it like this so that the curve, very good, okay? says pinch 2 of the blue sides together. As you do this, the white edges will come together. See how I'm getting all the white pieces like next to each other?
Yeah, that's how you do it.
I think so.
You're doing it right. You see that? That's how you do it. You put the white things together.
Okay.
You're doing it right.
Thanks. It says stick a white sticker on there to hold it into place. So could you grab me a white sticker off of here, please? You want to put it on there?
No.
Oh, okay. What are you doing?
You're being silly for the camera.
That was awesome! Do you want me to finish these and then you do the kite? Because I think you have to color the kite. Okay, ready? Go.
Mom, I want it to be straight up this time, okay?
Ready? Go.
I'm gonna do it one more time, straight up, okay?
Sure.
Ah.
Okay, you let go of that. I got it.
Look up.
Okay, go.
I did it so good. Hold it. Hold it.
Ready? Uh-oh. Try again. Uh-oh, you missed. So you're supposed to color all around these edges, okay, over on this side, because this side we won't be using.
Go.
You can do it with your hands if you want. You don't have to step on it.
Ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm gonna do 2.
You gotta do one at a time.
Ready?
Go.
First, I'll do
What are
one.
you throwing them?
That one went far. How do you do it with your hands?
I meant like that with your hands instead of stepping on it. You thought I meant throw it? You're so silly.
Watch this real quick.
Ready?
3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
Let's
Let's
go.
go. Penelope. Penelope.
Mom,
What?
this is embarrassing. Hey!
Space shuttles use their rocket boosters to launch into space. Astronauts travel into space inside the shuttle and then return to Earth. That looks beautiful. You want to know how airplanes work? The engines provide the power to the airplane, just like the engine in a car does. This power is called the thrust.
Huh?
Fold the kite along one of the diagonal lines. Fold the kite along one of the diagonal
There's
lines, then
another
fold it
doing
over
that.
so the diagonal lines meet. Ooh, okay. What color tail do you want for this one? Blue or green? I think blue is this one, green for this one. What do you think? Yeah?
Dad, it's an accident.
Come here, sticker, sticker, sticker.
Come here, Sticky.
Sticker, sticker, sticker.
Want me to get it for you?
Please, that would be wonderful. Ah,
Why is it
thank you,
clear?
love. So that it doesn't mess up your drawings. Did you enjoy doing everything in the box so far? The building process and making everything? Yeah? What was your favorite part?
Drawing.
Coloring it? Good. I would say the rockets were a little bit harder to do. We had a lot of fun. The kites were very simple to make.
Kiwi Crate is the best in the whole world. I love it.
We love it. Not with your mouth. Half the fun is being able to build it and put it together, and I think we had a lot of fun doing it. And then when we're done, we get to have even more fun playing with it. What happened? look at it go.
Maybe because it makes a little more.
Go, baby, go. Uh-oh. Look at you. Oh no, it broke. Where's the fins? Where'd it? Woo! You having fun, Beans? Yeah? This is pretty cool, huh? I think we'll have to tape our fins on a little better.
Yeah.
Rather than with those stickers.
Okay.
I want to see how far it'll go if I jump on it.
Go for it. Are you okay?
I go.
Ready? I'm gonna jump on it. We're gonna see how far it goes.
Bye!